Hello and thank you for joining us on the channel once again and to another video where today we have come up North Shore to have a look at the progression of the demolition of the Ambassador Hotel. A once thriving hotel back in its day, one of the most popular hotels here in Blackpool, has literally been pulled apart. It was a week ago today since the building was made unsafe when they closed the Promenade off, and then a few days later they started pulling the building down, and this is what is left. Not a lot left of it to take down now, just the adjoining part of the hotel, which is attached to its neighbouring hotel, the Rutland, and the back part of the hotel. We are going to take you on a 360 walk around the side. Just over a week ago, this building was declared unsafe and the road was instantly closed off that evening. And it's taken them a few days to take this apart, and look how much rubble there is. So much rubble there and wood. And here's the view from the side. This is the adjoining part to the Rutland Hotel, which is still an active hotel. It's not open obviously due to the lockdown currently, but it's still in operation, and they've not taken down all of the side there, but as you can see it's been targeted over the years. We had arsonists, there was a fire here a little while ago, which is what caused mainly the building to be quite unsafe. So that's really the only bit that's left of the building standing on the promenade. Probably will be the last bit to go, and we're going to take you on this 360 walk the best we can and safely as well. So we head around to the other side. As you can see, bit of advertisement there. So the road is closed off on the promenade. They're looking to opening the road back next week, ready for the illuminations, which is still there. The illuminations are back from next week. The tram line is still active as well. Looking forward to the lights coming back. Take a walk across the promenade itself, the road. That's what it looks like from a corner view. Still see the wallpaper. Not too sure if that's the sort of wallpaper I would have, but different themes going down, and really you won't be able to probably see this, but there's you can see the fire exit sign still there as well. So it'd be interesting to learn how they do the side of the building with the demolition work, of how they well, sort it out, I guess. Here's the side of Derby Road, which is what the road we're currently on. It's going to take some time to clear this. You will be able to see this debris when the road reopens, because they won't have fully got all this gone by then. There's so much to clear. As you can see there, they're working hours upon hours a day to clear it, to make the road open again. Bit by bit, filling up the crates, ready to be taken away. Just be careful around here, as it is open here, so if you're with anyone, just make sure they are accommodated, such as kids. And then some lorries here ready to take away the big skips, shall we call them. Here's the back view. So the back of the building is still standing to a degree, and even that section there is still quite a large area, still standing. Quite interesting to learn what they'll put on here though. And then here's the back of the hotel. The last bit standing, that's likely to be gone soon. This must take a lot of time to take away. I'm no expert of things like these at all. You know, it's quite obvious. But yeah, absolute shame that this building was ever in the state it was left. Like I say, thriving in the years gone by. You're looking at 50 years ago, such a busy, popular hotel. A lot of people know that they've been there. And unfortunately, it became empty. They were recently bought, I believe this year, I think, and they were supposed to be turned into holiday apartments. And unfortunately, the building just got worse and worse and worse, and that was due to the fires that have happened inside, unfortunately. there it goes, more history being removed from the area of the site as it goes to wherever they take it. But that is the end of the video. Here of the demolition site, as it's almost flattened. It's not taken a long time to do this at all. As you can see, a very clear section open there for us to be able to see more work being done just before we go. Crazy. Let me know if you want to see any more of these sort of videos on the channel, and if you'd like to hit the like button and give us a subscribe, as we do loads of videos around Blackpool as well. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you on another video. Bye bye.